How to add multiple collections to a page in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process how you can add multiple collection into a single page in Shopify. First, if you are wondering what exactly is a collection is a Shopify is simply a group of product you organize together like summer collection or sale item. And today we are learning how to show more than one collection on the same page like having a hot item and other collections. Now, even if you are brand new to Shopify, don't worry, I will explain each and every part and we will build it together. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply log into your Shopify. So if you haven't created account, you have just simply click on the get started. Now I have already logged in. Simply go back and maybe I have to select a plan. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Shopify. In the left side you can see there is an option like order, products, customer, content, and there are lots of options. In that option you have to choose for products. Now in the product, if we go, you can see the collections. Click on the collections. Right now I don't have any products, so I will add products. Click on the add products. Over here you have to add products like for example, let's create a boys and women's and children's collection. So I will choose boys t-shirt PNGs. Now search it again, teenage boys. Okay, let's I will just download random pictures so you can understand. Let's add fast as we can products. Okay, let's remove the PNG. Sure, let's click on the images and just download it as fast we can. Just download this image into your PC and we will create a products based on women tops. Let's download it again. So I will download and I'll be back. So we have successfully downloaded all the images which we needed. So let's create a title. So men shirts, give the description using AI. Men shirts, click on the generate. Now generate again and keep. Click on it, upload a file, go into download where you have downloaded all the images. Now I will choose this one and it is uploading. So file has been uploaded. Now you have to give the pricing. You can give a compare at price as well. So I will give, for example, 0. So it's basically to display a markdown, enter a value higher than your price, often shown with a strike through. For example, I will choose this. Okay, core per item, you can just not fill it. Now click on the save. After filling all the basic information related to your product, so product has been created as you can see here. Now congratulations, you are added your first product. Go into products. So we have successfully added. So I will go back and click on the stock. So I will add a quantity. So I will add I will add products as I can. So we have successfully created 4 products. So I will create 2 collections of men and women. So in order to create a collection, what you have to do is just simply click on the connection and click on the create collection in the top right corner. Now you have to give a hot men t-shirt collection. Now you have to give a paragraph. For example, you have to give the description. I will add a description as it is. Now, collection time is manual. Add product to this collection one by one, or you can existing and feature products that match the condition you set automatically be added to this collection. So I will choose smart. Now I can give tag as well. Now let's say manually. Now search for products. Now click on the this two women's. Okay, I have already selected men. Then just simply click on the two products. Now after that you can add image as well. Now I will choose image as men. Okay, I have to upload an image, so I will do just I will upload a random image as a cover. Now let's now just simply click done. Now as I said in the collection type, this is important. You have to select manual collection type. This means you will choose the product yourself instead of Shopify doing it automatically. So this is important. And after that, just simply create and save. On the top you will get option of save. Just simply click on the save. It will save a collection. Now again the same thing you have to do. We have successfully created our first collection. Now let's create another collection with super cool woman collection. Now you have to add description and then select collection type as a manual. Now search or browse your product. I will search these two. I will select these two women tops. Now I have already selected and hit the save button. So we have created two collection. First is for men, second is for women. So I don't give the image. I will again go back into edit and choose an image. So this is just random image, so you I'm not good at designing. Just simply click on the done, click on the save. So we have successfully created a Shopify collection. If you go into collection, you can see now there is a home page, but you can delete it. Just simply click on it, uh, click on it, and then in the three dots you can delete collection. Now so we have successfully deleted a collection. Now what you have to do, all right, now that our collections are ready, it's time to place them on the our website. In order to do that, what you have to do is just simply on the left side menu, you will can see there is an option called online store. Just simply click over there, and in the theme page you can see there is a by default Dawn theme. Just simply click on the customization. Now you have to go to home page. Already I am in the home page. Now we have successfully added this collection, but this is on the one page. So what I will do, I will just simply delete this feature collection from here, and in the section click on the add section. Now if you want to add featured product, you can add from here. Now we want to add featured collection, so I will choose featured collection. So as you can see here, we got our customization panel in the left side. Now what you have to do is simply change the name of the collection. So I will give men collection, and from here you have to select the collection. So just simply choose the main one. Now if you want to count products, you can increase that to till 25. Now I don't want to count the product, so in the text you can choose heading as a like, just simply give generate with the AI men's collection. Click on the generate. So it will generate the headline. So explore our latest men's collection. It's good. Now if you want to give a description, just copy the title and then give it to AI, so it will make your description. But if you are doing for like in purpose of SEO, please make sure you add your own description, so it makes more easier to you. Now you will get lot of options. For example, collection layout. If I increase it, it will make more minimize. So yeah, if you want to solid button, you can add that too. If you want outline button, you can add that too. Now this is how you can add your collection into your Shopify store. Just simply click on the save. Let's create a collection for women. Now in order to do that, just simply wait for save changes. Saved. Now go back into theme, click on the customization. Again you have to come on this down, and then you have to add section. Click on the featured collection. From here you can add your collection as well. Again same process we will going to repeat. This is for women collection. Now select the collection over here. Now we have successfully selected collection. Now you have to give the title collection. Now if you want to create title using AI, you can use it. Click on the generate and it will give you the cool title. Now let's copy this and give it to the description AI. Click on the generate, select it, and we have successfully added women's collection as well. Here we go. So this is how you can add your collection into your online store. I hope this tutorial helped you in some way. If you found this tutorial, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.